heartiest welcome from Hashin Official. As you all know, traveling is considered as a part of education. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how traveling is considered as the part of education. Also, I'll tell you what are the benefits of traveling and exploring the world. So let's start the video. Starting from Philippines, Switzerland, America, and all the Middle East country. We have only gone through this in a book and in videos. Just pen picturing and imaging the South America, North America, Philippines, Switzerland all in our mind. We ask ourselves, it may be like this, it might be like this, it might be like that. Sometimes, seeing the picture of America in our book, we remain confused whether it is a real photography or just an art. So traveling will help you to come out of this confusion. The total area of a region, the culture, the tradition of all over the world, what we have gone through, can be practically experienced in a tourism. So tourism is considered as an practical education. In these days, government has given a different scheme for tourism in different government recognized schools and colleges and also universities. In a year, students are given facility to travel to different parts of a country. Almost in all the department of the government of India keeps a facility of free travel to different part of the country and also different part of the world free of cost. So it's very clear that the government of India give more emphasis on tourism. We also know that tourism is a source of income to the government. Many people from outside visit India to witness the beauty of the historical moments like Taj Mahal, Red Fort and many others. So tourism gives a large source of income to Indian economy. Now let me tell you some benefit of traveling. The first thing is traveling is outside your comfort zone. Sometimes you have to overcome the difficulties in your way. Sometimes you have to sacrifice something. Sometimes you have to remain hungry. There may not be a drop of water when you are thirsty. So in a sentence, traveling is out of your comfort zone. The second benefit of tourism is it helps you escape your routine. We all are busy. Some are engaged to feed their family, while students are busy in their study. So in this busy schedule, it's impossible to find the time for our refreshment. We are bound by our some responsibilities every day. So to escape from our routine, tourism is very important. The third point is traveling is more advanced form of education. There are many historical places which we only read in our book, but we are unknown to these real historical places. So tourism falls under the practical education. We enjoy and witness the real beauty of nature. The fourth point is you get to meet new people and listen their stories. During traveling, you get to meet a different types of people from different culture, from different religion, to whom you are just a stranger. But it's obvious after some time you make a friendship with them. You share your own story and listen to their past stories. This helps you to be more amiable person. The next point is you are exposed to new ideas. During traveling, you come to meet different multi-talented people. You try to acquire some knowledge from them. You try to get some new ideas and tricks. The next point is tourism makes you more independent. During traveling, you will try to find the solutions of your different problems. Yes, if you are traveling to some parts of a country, you are a stranger there. No one knows you, so you can enjoy your full day independently. The next benefit of tourism is you get to taste different types of food. Types of food vary from one parts of country to the other parts of country. Traveling helps you to taste all the types of food. The next point is traveling makes you realize how much you do not know. Another benefit of tourism is it de-stresses you. During traveling, you come across many adventures in your way. So traveling helps you to de-stress yourself. And the most important benefit of tourism is you make memories. If you are traveling with your beloved one, your bucket will be full of treasures. So traveling helps you to coat yourself memories forever. And the next benefit of tourism is tourism helps you to be more social. You will meet with different types of people, different people from different cultures, different religions, different tribes. So you will be amiable with them and you will be more social. A proverb goes, man is a social being, and you can prove it yourself during traveling. The next benefit of tourism is tourism helps you to improve your problem solving skills. There might be a time when there will be lots of problems, lots of obstacles in your way, and you try to find out the solutions of the problems yourself. So tourism helps you to improve your problem solving skills. So I say travel is better investment than in any materialistic things. Tourism directly touches to your heart. You will be witnessed with the natural scenic beauty, the historical places, the historical monuments. Tourism helps you to refresh your mind. It helps you to think big. And yeah, during tourism, you will find a different successful people and it will be an inspiration to you. You will come across to know that only scoring well in examination is not the success. Only getting a government job is not the success. Success may come from every field, and you will realize that success means to excel in your own field. Those who are excellent in their own field is the one successful. Traveling also helps you to explore the things and to witness it physically. So I do believe 50% of education remains incomplete without tourism. Only theoretical explanation is not the education. It is written in the book that Sahara Desert is fully dry. It is written in the book that Red Fort is historical monuments. But if you have not witnessed it with your own eye, how do you believe it? So I do say, believe only those things which you have witnessed with your own eye. So go and explore the world. May your journey be successful. If the video is useful, please like it and share among your friends. So let them realize how important tourism is. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe it and press the bell icon to get tuned on my next videos.